Let's say you have an e-learning site on meditation for beginners, and you realize the Italian market has a huge demand for such courses. So you did the smart thing and localize your website in Italian, and you watch our videos on global digital marketing to create some specific campaigns for your Italian audience. But you've heard that for your new site to rank, you need high-quality backlinks pointing to it. Backlinks are links from other relevant websites that point to yours. These tell search that your site is trustworthy and that you're an authority on the service that you're offering. But what type of links should you be seeking for your Italian website? And how exactly should you go about it? First, consider that it's more likely for other websites to link to pages of your site that offer value, rather than sales pages. So taking the time to write articles in Italian about mindfulness, mantras, and other related topics is a good start. Now that you have valuable content for your new audience, it's time to find some other related Italian websites that might be able to point to yours in a natural way. In this case, health forums, yogi bloggers, and maybe even self-development sites might be good sources. Email these websites letting them know you're creating content that might be appealing to their users. Remember that, depending on the region you're emailing to, formalities and email etiquette may vary. Some of these websites will ignore you, some will happily place a link to you in their content, and some will ask you to write an original article for their audience that will later link back to your site. Beware, it is possible that some sites will ask you for payment to place a link. This goes against guidelines and will get you penalized, so avoid it. The process of getting high-quality links can be daunting. That's why we're here. We create, advertise, and optimize multilingual content, and our international link building services will help you rank it. Go to daytranslations.com to find out more.